G'day guys, Kyal Kara here. Today we're going to be showing you how to install VELUX blinds.
Natural light from VELUX is amazing, but the blinds are perfect for those days you want to enjoy an afternoon nap.
One of the hardest parts is working on the ladder, so if you're not confident in doing that, make sure you get a professional.
We are installing in a new build, but it's the exact same process if you're retrofitting. VELUX blinds are specific to each Skylight model and size. Contact VELUX before you purchase if you're not 100% sure.
Before you get started, make sure you've got the right size blind for your Skylight. For now, we're going to set aside our rails and the other items until later on. For the first step of installation, we are going to attach our bottom brackets to the base of the VELUX Skylight. Once they're installed with the screws provided, you can break off the placement tabs. Next up, we're going to install the main body of the blind with these pre-installed brackets. This will literally clip up into place. Now just make sure it's in properly before you take your hands away. At this stage of the installation, do not remove the red clips. Next up, we'll install our rails. They'll simply slide into place. The miter will form a nice joint and the bottom will click into the bracket that we installed at the start. Using the screws provided, secure your rails into place. It's time to remove the cable from the red clip, leaving the red clip in place, and also make sure that there's no twists or tangles in the cable. The plastic clip attached to the cables needs to be inserted at the bottom of the rails. Now give it a firm push so it goes all the way in. Now it's finally time, you can remove the red clips. If you find that the blind is slightly out of level, simply tilt it at the back, disengage it from its track, and get it in the right position. Now your VELUX blind is fully installed, ready to go. The last thing to do is set up the remote. Now to do that, simply press the middle button, then down. The blind will go through a series of movements. Once that comes to a stop, you are fully done and the blind is ready for use.